Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Jazz Minds. Today we're going on a little road trip to Williams because we're gonna go watch a car show over there. Because you know, Cars takes place over there, so they're doing a whole car show. It's so cool. The paletero man. So we're gonna go do that. I'll try to record as much as I can if I remember. Please remember that. But yeah, we're all packed up. We got Yuri here. We're just waiting on Bala, my dad, and mother. Beautiful sunset, y'all. And it's about like 7:30. And we're still on the road. Oh, she got caught up.
I did it.
Beautiful. In real life, it's beyond gorgeous. Bumpy road. We have arrived. Oh, sorry to disturb your peace. What's goody? I look so freaking crusty. But we came to Subway. I'm gonna stay over here with Bala. I already told her what I wanted, but I'm probably just had to go with her. But yeah, we came to Subway. We're about to be big bags and grub. I haven't ate all day, y'all. Forget that, show me your shirt. She got lucky. I want it, come. She got a steal at a good one. For real? Look at it, I'm gonna steal that shit. And it's like good as quality, like it doesn't look faded or anything. Oh, damn, my quality looks bomb. Hello. OMG. We are packed. We have to sneak in, you guys, because only 2 of us supposedly came for the room. And we brought a blow up just in case. Can get some ice. Go. Pongamos.
All of it?
Hey.
Oh,
It's me. What a vibe. We wanted to watch Love Island, but technical difficulties, so we just have to eat in silence. Just kidding, we have this. Como dice el dicho. We're going to sleep now, y'all. What is it? What's her name from Inside Out? Disgust. When she has her little bonnet. Oh, alright, good night, y'all. Hey guys, so we're up. We're grubbing our leftovers over here. The parents are gonna go to breakfast, but we're not. We're too lazy. And I just shower. I'm about to do my makeup when I'm done eating. Woo! Watching Teen Titans Go. You already know we used to watch that shit all the time. Hey guys, we are officially ready. Everyone's packing. I want to show you my fit before we go. Did I even tell you guys why we're here? We're here to see a car show. I think I did in the beginning. Take your toothbrushes from the bathroom. Oh, I was waiting for you to get out. Perfect timing. Right, you guys, we're in the little town now. We all got ready. We got packed up because I don't think we're staying another night. Let me just show you the preview of the cars. Oh, you got money. Girl, I just saw you almost steal. Hey, what'd you get?
I don't want this anymore.
No, as you can never go wrong with that one. Undies or bra. Oh, that one's good too.
No, it's not.
All right, now we're gonna go to the car show, y'all. Nothing but the truth. Bro, look how beautiful these cars are. Like, unreal. Ah! Wow! Insane. Stop. I need a picture of this car right now. Beautiful. Look at this one. Oh. beautiful. Like in person, they're 10 times prettier. 10 times prettier in person, huh? Can't hear me. She has headphones. She's whack. This reminds me of like Little Rascals when they had to build their cars. That's so cute. Look at this big ass one. Bro, I want a car like that so bad. Look at this shit. Beautiful. Bonita, bebé. Like, oh my god, there's purple one. I haven't seen not one purple car. These are like, these are unreal. Look how tiny. Oh, that's how I lived before. That's insane. They ate down. They got, sorry. I'm so sorry. Whoa, what? Oh! Like, how are people driving in these? It's so cool. And why the fuck did we stop driving in these?
1956.
The gloves. Heta's gonna take a picture right now. This is so cool. See yourself in a nice car. I know.
It took 23 months to do that. I don't even want to think about what it is.
Yeah, look at this girl. I know, that's right. Look at your father. Bala. Look at how freaking cool. We're literally in cars. We're gonna go to another place that literally looks like cars, y'all. It's so cool. Wow. Golazo.
Get it.
Look, yo, we have arrived. They're sick. No one get ran over. Welcome. What? Oh my god, that's sick. What's up, Elvis? Oh, they have one of these. I don't have a penny. Where? Oh. It's cool. The icon. Period. They're so cute. Okay. What the hell? Look, there's another one. Look, I know it's random as hell, but it's so cool. Their little collection. Love it. I'm gonna get the girls some Hot Wheels. I told them to pick like 2. Let's see where they at. What the fuck? There's more. Ta madre. Oh, and they. Okay. Oh, let's go see. Stop! I'm overwhelmed. That's so. Oh my god. Ryan's car. What? Stop! This is fucking sick. A whole ass racer outfit or what? Motorcycle? Bikers? This is so cool. This is so cool. Like what? It's obviously a car part. Car hood. Let me see the frame. Look at what we're gonna get. So pretty. Oh my god. Look at this. what they're gonna get. Wow, that one's so cool, the tent.
Ya tú sabes.
A ver, los tuyos. So cool.
Those are cute.
It's a coin bag. Yeah, literally. This is fucking sick.
Or like, wait, Looney Tunes is Space Jam.
Yeah. Okay. It's a little carrito. Oh, she got some free Croc charms from the lady. How
She's
sweet.
only two.
Yeah, they're the last two. So. And we kind of caught about a couple things.
Oh yeah.
What? I didn't even read it. Look at it. This is so cool. That's made her. Oh, the teeth. That's so cute. The right in front. They're like you're just kidding.
It looks like you.
I'm kidding. Yeah, it's a little hot, huh? I'm sweating balls out here, kinda, and it's only like 80 degrees.
Why are you recording it?
Because I don't want to record myself because I'm sweating balls. Sorry.
What is that?
OMG. It's sick.
It looks like that one.
La policía. La policía. This is fucking sick. They got a freaking victim. I don't recognize this character.
They just made it out.
That's cool. It's just spinning at the top.
What's in here?
It's another shop. Antique.
Should we go in?
Look at the toilets have plants. Watch your step.
It's wiggly.
OMG. Let's go. A ver qué encontramos aquí. Return to the 50s. A ver qué tal. The little bathroom on Shrek. This is cool. I want a picture right here. You can see that it's a oldies. Oh, oldies. It's a vending machine. Look, they have one of those too. Ooh. That's so cute. That's so pretty. Bro, oh my god, they're so cool. I love it so much. Oh, the signs. Oh my god, Spider-Man. I just took a pic with her. Too cool. Me as fuck. Don't play with it. That's so funny. Bless you. Wow, face card. What's she looking at? Look at how cute, y'all. I try to record. My phone died, so not to record on here. But I think the audio is better on here either way.
We don't have plates.
She needs a little getaway. And her out of the bag.
Look. Look at me. A piece too. Piece.
So cheap.
Let's an adjustment. Because it's, what did she say?
80s. For sure. Cheap as hell here. We got drinks and it was like $12, which that never happened. Look at Carlos's dog. Hey. That's so cute. He's so cute. Over. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Head up. They're funny. No. Okay. That's so cool. Oh, weak. Look at, there's like toilets over there.
Football, of course, there's so much baseball here in Arizona. There's so many good
They're so
fields to
cool.
use. Here comes 2 open.
It's
And because of the desert area,
everyone's sleeping. We're on our way back home. For real, it's the same weather, bro. Yeah, we got our comida. About to grub. We have made it home. Thank the Lord. It was such a good trip. Very much needed it. What you looking for?
Damn. Watch.
Your watch?
Nah.
Oh, I was like, I got one right here.
Get that little.
Oh, I thought we were gonna watch Love Island. I'm so weak. My girl going ham. Look. Back to Love Island time.
You went.
Hi, cutie. Look at his little shoe. So silly. I'm gonna take him off right now. Oh, why you get up like that? Extra. You thought someone was gonna give him food or what? So cute. Chucho needs some now.